doing on Milly Dowler. That was a quote from Mark Lewis, the Dowler Family Lawyer, a very, very brave man. So let's start there. Neville Thurlbeck, reporter, police informer, Agent George, obtained the Dowler number from another private investigator, not me, that's public record, and proceeded to hack Milly's voicemails just after she went missing. He said he got it from school kids. That's a lie. But here's the smoking gun. April the 6th, 2002. Sarah McGregor, senior police press officer. It proves that Surrey Police, News International already knew about the contents of Milly's voicemails and associated inquiries long before the 6th of April. I was not tasked until 4 days later, on the 10th of April. That's a fact. I was purposely put in the line of fire. The police already knew. News International already knew. Still, they set me up. I became their perfect patsy. This was one of my first phone hacking cases, and it was meant to be for the greater good. Greg Miskew, also known as the Prince of Darkness, pulled the strings behind the scenes. Andy Coulson was managing the moving parts. Rebecca Brooks, off on a holiday in Dubai. If you ever live in these people's world, you will know that they never, ever switch off. They're all in a symbiotic relationship with the police, and I was left outside. Journalists too busy trying to be first and right. It became the perfect cover-up story to protect the media elite. A classic Murdoch playbook. Miskew notebook confirms it line by line. They all just deleted and destroyed the evidence. COP was in full flow. Cover your own backside. Two worlds, one man, Neville Thurlbeck. That caused this butterfly effect. September 2002, they found Milly. Levi Belfield would face justice many years later. There seems to be an emerging pattern here. David Sherborne confirmed at Leveson.
And indeed, we do know that there was a particular journalist at News International, whose name I will not mention, who was in possession at that time of Milly Dowler's mobile telephone number and PIN number, but not through Mr. Mulcaire.
That protection was given to Neville Thurlbeck. Though he couldn't name him for legal reasons, millions paid to protect the lie. Money buys you silence, or money buys you noise. July the 4th, 2011, the story finally broke. The public, to this very day, didn't know absolutely anything. However, the following morning, The Sun and Sunday registered its internet domain name. Anyone would think that's prescribed. You can pin everything else on me, but you're not pinning this one. The facts are clear. I've been validated by Mark Lewis and David Sherborne, and if it's good enough for them, it's most certainly good enough for me.